My friend, so in this video I will show you exactly very simply how you can make a one product Shopify dropshipping store using AI. So first of all I will show you one of my competitor store. They are selling the better sleep better you prioritize rest because wellness begins at bedtime. So this is the hero section, okay. And this product is Snooze Original Perfect White Noise from a real fan. Thousands of reviews. Okay, so it means that it's a noise cancelling products because you will not hear any bad sound, any bad noise. Okay, from other side, your sleep will be very proper sleep and deep sleep because sleep is very broad niche, and in this niche always people find a solution how they can make a better sleep. Okay, so how we will make a one product store like this. So my suggestion always, you will find a competitor or someone that selling your same product. Then you just gather knowledge from them, get inspiration, and get information what they are keeping in their store. So very simply they are keep announcement about free shipping and 100 night guarantee. Okay, wow, it's very good. They give a promise, they give a surety that 100 days or night guarantee you will get, okay, a better sleep by this device. So in here it will be a logo. So what you will do, you will go to your Shopify backend and the product page builder or home page, no problem. And this is the logo, it's just for you example. In here you will add your own logo, and the announcement bar, it's like welcome to our store, but you can make a good hook to grab your customers attention. So it can be like free shipping or 5 to 8 days shipping, or like it will be 50% discount when you will buy 100 over $100 package. Okay, so it's like you can also ask ChatGPT, okay, like to make a good announcement bar. Wait, make a good announcement bar, announcement bar, announcement bar text to sell a sleeping product. Okay, boom. Then we will see that ChatGPT will give a lot of sleep better tonight, limited time, 50 or 20% off plus free shipping. Wow, it's good. Wake up refreshed, discover our #1 sleep solution. Shop now. Better sleep starts here, no problem. So this is the 5 most very good hook or announcement bar text you can use. And then I will go to again the Shopify backend. So what they did, like in here they did like image plus text. This is a hero section. So I mean, this by these sections you will be your you'll get more customers apart and the conversions. Okay, because the first impression is the last impression, always keep. So always you just keep the very eye-catching image text in the hero section. Okay, so like they did, like they write better sleep better you prioritize rest because wellness begins at bedtime. So shop in, if I click on here, just directly customer will go to the purchase page. Okay, and in the down they add some testimonials or the buyer personal review from big company, which is also good. So what you will do, you just go to your Shopify and just in here, okay, this is the like homepage also, no problem. You just click on here and then you can remove this banner in, like from image banner. This is only just example I am showing you. So in here you will select, you will click and select your all like what product you are selling, then keep the image product, okay, photo. So template, okay, this is the Labubu I showed you in the before some previous videos. Okay, this is the product I added. So in here you can add this plus sections or just go to the template section in here, like heading, browse, okay, so add section. Always you will click on add section. This is okay. So add section, you will get fetch art collection, yes, rich text. This is rich text, image with text, which is very important. So if I click on image with text, and then you will see that lot of image with text in here. Okay, this is the image with text, this is the image with text, this is the image with text. And what text they add, just keep benefit. Okay, what benefit customer will get, because customer will not buy the product, keep in mind, they will buy the benefit. Okay, they will feel that these products will help a lot of in his daily life. So we focus so much on diet, exercise, why not sleep? This is a very good benefit. So say good night to disturbance. Don't just take sleep disturbance, okay, in them. Okay, so in here the store owner keep a problem then a solution. Smarter sleep starts here. You can also track your sleeping time. Okay, so just benefit. Okay, benefit, no problem. All right, in here you will just write to ChatGPT, like write benefit of this product to add on my one product store. Simple. So you have to master in ChatGPT or prompt engineer. It's very good. Just you think that ChatGPT is your best friend. So got it. Since you are running a one product store for a sleeping product, you will need benefit driven section. Yes. So he knows, ChatGPT know everything because he has a lot of data driven. And why you will love product name, okay, falls asleep faster. Okay, in here you just add this benefit, and on AliExpress you will find a lot of pictures in your product. Okay, just take the picture and add this benefit. Wake up refreshed, yes, reduced stretch, improve sleep quality, non-intrusive and safe. Okay, this all benefit you can add. Now we will go to the last sections, which is the footer sections. In here it's the inspiration image. Okay, also you will add the shop now button. In here in shop now button you just add your link. For example, in here button level, okay, you just add your link, for example products, and then the Labubu products. Simple. Okay, and then the product will add in this button or shop now. Okay, and then what they did, like in here join 300,000 plus sound sleepers. Yes, it's also a very trusted sections. Okay, and they also in the under the hero section they add the reviews, which is very important. So customer buy or customer love what others people's giving review. If they're giving good review, their purchasing power will be higher. Okay, so we will go to the bottom section, and then we will see that it's very simple. Just add the menus, support company, okay, and a email newsletter. Okay, so that's it. So this is the systems that how you can use ChatGPT, which is a free AI tools, and you can make a very high converting one product Shopify store. So just comment below if you need any questions or any help. Okay, I will help you.